All right, guys, welcome back. Today is Monday, the 16th of December. Let's go. So it's about 7 o'clock right now, and I just happened to pick one up, and this one's about 20 minutes to pick them up, and another 10 minutes to drop them off. This one's paying me $18.90. All right, guys, let's go. Gotta make a lot of money today. It's a little bit drizzly. Everyone wants a ride. Let's start picking them up. All right, guys, I just completed that one, and that last one right there paid me, let me see. That last one paid me $11, and it is $8.30. So far we're at $30. Let's go. All right, guys, I'll update you and let you know where we're at. All right, guys, looks like I got a bunch of little ones coming through, but I'm gonna pick this one up so that way it can get me to another place. I gotta keep moving out of here. All right, I'll update you and let you know where this journey takes us. Let's go. All right, guys, just picked up a little one, dropped them off. Now I'm picking up another one. This one's like $6. So let's go. I'll let you know what's going on. I'll update you. All right, guys. All right, guys, I just finished dropping off that one, and that one gave me it was $7 to pick them up and gave me a $5 tip. So ended up being $12. All right, let's go. And after I dropped him off, I picked up this other one, and this other one is paying me $21 to go to the island, probably about 20 minutes away from here. So I think that was a good one. All right, I'll update you and let you know where we go after we drop off this one. Let's go. All right, guys, I just dropped off that one. She gave me a $15 tip, and I'm picking up another one. It's an hour drive, but it's paying me $45. Let's go. I'll update you, let you know. So that last one was $37 total. That's with that $15 tip. And then this one is gonna be $49. I'll update you and let you know. And it is 10:42. All right, let's go. I don't know if I skipped any, but all right, I'll update you and let you know, guys. Let's go. All right, guys, so that one never showed up. I don't know. I kept on calling and waited about 10 minutes, nothing. So anyways, they paid me $5 for the cancellation, and then I have another one that picked it up. Is $20. So it's $20 to get it not too far away. 20 bucks, and I think it's like a 20-minute drive. All right, guys, let's go. Although I would have liked that one that paid me $45, but this right here paid me is paying me $20, plus I got that $5, and it's half the trip. So let's go ahead and get it done. All right, and then once we drop off that one, see what we pick up, and let's go. It's about 11 o'clock. Let's make some money. So right now, that last one paid me $5.63, and so far I'm at 92, 5 trips, 11 o'clock. So today's gonna be a productive day. Let's try to get 200. Let's go. All right, guys, I'll update you and let you know. There ain't no complaining on this one. All right, we're trying to make as much money as we can. You got a goal, follow your goal, do your goal, try to make money. I know it's easy to say, you know what, I'm not gonna drive no more. Just keep on driving. Pick up one, see where the next one takes you, see where the next one takes you, and see where the next one takes you. All right, guys, let's go. All right, guys, I just finished dropping off that one, and that one paid me $20.67. That's a total of 6 trips. Come on, let's go. All right, wait for another one to come through, and I'll update you and let you know. All right, guys, I just picked up another one. This one's $8, 11 minutes to pick them up, and 8 minutes to drop them off. All right. Let's keep on going. It's 11. It's actually almost 12 o'clock. So you can take a break after this one, and let's see where it takes us, or we see what else comes through after we're done before we take a break. All right, let's go. All right, guys, I just dropped that one off, and it was $8, and it looks like they paid me a tip. So, yep, they gave me a $5 tip, so it came out to be $13. Let's go. All right, so that was 13. So 7 trips so far, 126 bucks. It's about 12 o'clock right now. Looks like it's kind of slow a little bit everywhere. I think it's probably a good time to take a break. I'm gonna look for some place to eat and then get started back. So we're at 126. Let's keep on going. That's 7 trips, guys. And it's 12 o'clock. All right, guys, I just got me another one. I'm back online, so it's about 3 o'clock. Took a little bit longer nap. Anyways, let's go. I'll update you whenever we get there. And 11 minutes of picking them up and 20 minutes to drop them off. This one is about a $12, $13 trip. So, but let's get started. Come on, no complaining up in here. We're gonna pick them up, pick them up, pick them up. We got what? How much have we made so far? 126. Let's keep on going. Let's get it done. All right, so I just picked, let's see how it goes. So I took the guy to the airport, right? 12 bucks. When I dropped him off, I picked up another one, $18. So now there's another one that I'm picking up, and this one, I think it is $12. But it's kind of getting me closer to where I want to be at. So we saw that 9 trips, $157. This other one's going to be 12, I think, 12 or 16. I'll let y'all know. All right, guys, let's go. Let's keep on making it. It's only 4:30 or 4:21. I did take a longer nap, but you got to rest in between. Okay? All right, guys. Let's keep on chasing them goals. We got money to make. All right. All right, guys, I just finished dropping off that one, and that one paid me 15. Now I picked up another one, and this one's paying me 16. So that's gonna give me to 190, and it's about 517. This may be my last one. I may pick up one more after that. Probably give me even 200. All right, guys, let's go. All right, guys, I just finished that one, and that one paid me $12. I thought it was 16. It's not. So it was 12 bucks. And that's gonna put me at 11 trips, $185, and I'm putting my destination back toward the house. All right, guys, that's gonna be about it, and I'll put everything on there. Let's go.